for a damn truck. They trying to quiet it up. Trying to get it back quiet. So the transfer case?
Yeah.
I just paid $4,500. They rebuilt the entire tranny, so that's a whole different shit right there.
Yeah. Transfer is different. It's what controls the four-wheel drive.
Is the four-wheel drive on?
No. This is where we're moving. And now it's nice. Remote.
You put all those what you call it back in there?
What?
Those oxygen sensors?
Oh yeah, you got it.
How much time do you think before that bitch go? That's fucked up, man. If I went and got a transfer case, how much would y'all charge to put it in?
I don't know, that's up to me.
Y'all don't know how to do that, do you?
Yeah. It's like changing anything.
Because I rebuilt the unit. I paid $4,500 for them to rebuild the entire tranny.
Damn, that's a lot.
$4,500 is a lot?
A lot.
You could have got it done cheaper?
Most likely.
Really?
Yeah. Yo, quanto tu crees para esta transmisión rebuild?
2,000? I paid $4,500 a few months ago. $4,500 for transmission. Rebuild. I didn't know you see Mitzi. I didn't know you do all that, man.
So you decided to come in for me.
I didn't know. I just wanted
I'm giving you 1 year no mileage guarantee. 1 year the warranty, no mileage. What kind of guarantee he gonna do you?
I got 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah.
How many mileage?
I gotta look on my piece of paper, but I paid $4,500 for that fucking tranny to be rebuilt. $4,500 cash. And then on top, so, he said, yeah, if it ain't front, which is backward. Hey, make sure that thing is quiet. Make sure it's quiet. Quiet now, because that shit, I want it back like. Huh? Yeah. Anything why not pass this motherfucking inspection? Gotta pass the fucking inspection. Hey, he said my transfer case is making a noise. You think it might need some oil? You think it might need lube in there?